Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to share 10 amazing protein treatment that will make your hair longer, stronger and healthier, all without a salon visits. If your hair feels weak, dull, breaking or not growing, then proteins is actually what your hair needs. And the best part, all of these remedies use simple kitchen ingredients that are safe, natural and effective. So let's get started. Number 1, egg and yogurt marks. Egg are full of natural proteins and yogurts add shine and moisturize. Takes 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of plain yogurts, mix well and apply from roast to leave it for 30 minutes. Then wash with mild shampoo. Do this one a week for smooth and strong hair. Number 2, coconut milk treatment. Coconut milk is rich in proteins and healthy fats. Simply massage fresh coconut milk into your scalp and hair. Keep it for 20 to 25 minutes, then rinse. It reduces hair fall and makes your hair thicker. Number 3, ground floor hair masks. Besan or ground flours is a natural protein source. Mix 2 tablespoons ground flour with water or yogurt to make a paste. Apply it on your scalps and hair. Leave for 20 minutes. Then wash its cleanness to the scalps and strains weak strands. Number 4, avocado and egg marks. Avocado have vitamins and protein that repair damaged hairs. Mash half and avocados. Add 1 egg and mix. Apply to your hair for 25 minutes. This mask works like a deep conditioner and prevents spills. And number 6, mayonnaise treatment. Yes, mayonnaise is made with eggs and oil, so it's rich in proteins. Apply 2 tablespoons mayonnaise directly to damp hair. Leave for 30 minutes, then rinse well. It gives instant shines and softness. Number 6, fenugreek seeds. Soak 2 tablespoons fenugreek seeds overnight in the mornings. Grind into a paste. Apply it your scalps and hair. Leave for 30 minutes and wash. It strengthens hair roots, reduces dandruff and promotes growth. Number 7, yogurts and honey marks. Mix 2 tablespoons yogurts and 1 tablespoon honey. Apply evenly on your hair and scalps. Leave for 25 minutes. It's a light protein packs that add shines and control freeze. Number 8, almond oil and aloe vera. Almond oil is protein rich and aloe vera repairs damage. Mix 2 tablespoons almond oils with 2 tablespoons aloe vera gels. Massage on scalps and hairs. Leave overnight. It's possible or at last 1 hour before washing. Number 9, banana and milk marks. Banana content amino acid that strengthens hair. Mash 1 ripe bananas with 2 tablespoons milk. Apply the creamy paste to your hair for 20 minutes. It makes hair silky, reduce dryness and adds natural protein. Number 10, rice water. Rice water has amino acids and protein that repairs hair. Soak half a cup of rice in water for 1 hour. Strain and use the water as a final rinse after shampoos. Do this twice a week. It makes hair smooth, strong, and helps in faster growth. So, friend, these were 10 easy protein treatment you can do at home for longer, stronger, and healthier hair. No need for expensive salons treatments. Your kitchen is enough. Try any of these once or twice a week and you will notice a big difference in just a few weeks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels for more natural beauty and hair care tips. Thanks you for watching and I will see you in the next videos. Bye.